this is real. Get your mac and cheese.
What?
Get it.
I can't. I don't know where it is.
Just get your stool and reach in there and get it. Did you find it yet?
No. Mommy,
Well, you gotta look. Are you gonna look?
I'm looking.
Did you look?
I'm looking.
You can't find it?
I can't find it.
No mac and cheese.
You're the smartest person you know. You're the smartest person you heard it.
Did you hear that? She just said I'm the smartest person. You can't find it for real?
Yes, I can't find it.
Did you look?
I look.
Did you look hard?
I'm looking hard.
It's not in a drawer, it's on a shelf.
What?
It's on one of the shelves.
Found it.
Yes! Can you show me? Are you gonna show me?
Sure.
Come show me. Come on.
Here, can you look?
Where? I can't see you. Oh, wait. Where are you? Where are you?
Here.
Where?
Behind you.
Come here, let me see.
Behind you. You saw me.
I didn't see you. Show your mac and cheese. You found it! Yay! And she said I was the smartest person. I would laugh too.
Mom, can you cover all my mac and cheese?
No, I can't do that. Oh, shenanigans.